Francis Ngannou scored a second round KO over Stipe Miocic Saturday night and became the new UFC heavyweight champion. Jon Jones was expected to take on the winner. Jones said, "Show me the money." Dana doesn't like when fighters ask for more money, so he basically said at the post-fight press conference that Jones is scared to take the fight and is turning it down by asking for more money, and said that Ngannou will just fight Derek Lewis then. Why does a fighter have to be afraid the second he mentions he wants to get paid his worth? What an insult. Conor McGregor wants big money. It's expected. Jon Jones wants money. Now he's scared. I've been working my butt off, gained all this weight and never lost a fight before. Now all of a sudden I'm scared. What bullshit. I've been talking about getting paid for more than a year now. Nothing to do with France winning the belt. I fear no man. I've been beating up on heavyweight since I was a skinny kid. Gain all this size and strength just to suddenly be afraid? Sure, let's switch the narrative. You guys are so impressed by a guy with the knockout power. I've proven over a decade that punching hard means I'll let all you fans get super hyped. I'll stick to what I know. Pay me and let me go to work. Dana White also says the plan is to have UFC 264 at the T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas on July 10th. He wants Poirier vs. McGregor 3 to be the main event. And he's considering having Gaethje in the co-main event or having him as a backup fighter on the card. The vacant lightweight title will be contested by Oliveira and Chandler at UFC 262 on May 15th. Poirier could have fought for the title, but he chose red panties over a gold belt. He'll make significantly more money fighting Conor because the pay-per-view sales will be much higher and he gets a portion of that. Thanks for watching MMA Digest.